It is 4:33 p.m. on Wednesday, November 14th, 2012. And this is the carrier heat pump at my gym that I have filmed many times before. And I am not expecting to get a defrost cycle. It's cold out, but not that cold, and if it does go into defrost, it's probably going to be a dry defrost. And you can see in there, the suction line is frosted over. But yeah, it's probably in the low 40s right now with a wind chill that makes it feel a little bit colder. And my plan is to put this video clip in another video with the I'm going to put it with a clip of the Rheem heat pump running. And I just decided I'm also going to put this in a video with my 1992 Jeep brochure that I have yet to make a video of. Keep forgetting to do that. But this is a 2004 Carrier 3-ton heat pump running in heat mode. It's got a reciprocating compressor, and it just shut off. There you go. And I'm gonna get a look. Yep, there it goes. All the frost just went off of the suction line there. Now it's just really, really wet. Knew I wasn't gonna get a defrost cycle out of this. I already have an epic steam show video from this unit anyway, so aside from the fact that it isn't in true HD because I was using my best friend's camera, I'm satisfied with that video, so not really top priority to get another steam show of this carrier. You can hear the refrigerant hissing in there. Alright, I am freezing my ass off out here, so I am going to go inside and work out. And I'm going to Puck tonight, so I got a lot of videos to make there, and I also got the video of my Jeep brochure to make. So I will be back later. Out.